On this new tutorial, guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram will restrict certain activity problem easily and fast. All what you wanna do, guys, to fix this problem is actually so easy. First thing, you have to open the Instagram app. Go to your profile, click on edit profile right here, and then on this page you will find the settings of your profile. So all what you want to do is just change your profile picture. After that, click confirm and go back. Go to the top corner, open the settings on your Instagram, and then go to the help option. After that, click report a problem, click report problem without shaking. On this page you will have to report the problem right here, and the Instagram support team will contact you if the problem is fixed. So make sure to check the email after you contact or report the problem that you have, as we know its certain activity is restricted. Click next, and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching this tutorial until the very end.